Hi and welcome guys, I am Golden Crow and this is 2017's first DirectX programming tutorial. Alright, so let's get started. Let's recap on what we did in 2016, which was last year. And the last thing we did was texture mapping, I believe. So let's go and run this. And as you can see, that was what we did. We rendered, well, we mapped a texture to a quad from this point over here, and then corresponding points to create the two triangles. Alright, and this was the code. You just zoom in there. That was the code. Alright, now today is pretty simple. We're going to create that viewport. So go and create a viewport. I'll call mine viewport 1, and we're actually going to create another one, viewport 2. We got ourselves two viewports. Now we gotta go and load them up. So viewport equals new viewport, and then we can go and set up the settings. Viewport.x equals 0. Viewport 1 dot y equals 0. Viewport 1 dot width equals our device dot viewport dot width. Whoops. And I'm gonna just set it to divide by 2, so it takes up half of the screen on the left. And viewport.height device.viewport.height divided by 2. That's pretty simple. So we'll just go and copy this and change these to viewport 2, and we'll change the x value to device.viewport.width divided by 2, so it'll be on the right. Alright, now we can go and set the device's current viewport. Device.viewport equals viewport 1. So that was pretty simple, right? Now we just gotta go and change these values. Right, let me just go and render this real quick. I'll just change the color so you can see the difference. So this is the current viewport. That is viewport 1, and the viewport 2 will be here, but let's go and render that first. Alright, so what you can do is set devices viewport 1, and then we'll go and render this code over here. You can go and copy this, and then you guessed it, set to viewport 2. And also we want to clear, before we go and render anything, let's actually put it here, and we can put it whatever color you want. So that should work. Whoops, nope. Definitely something I did wrong here. Alright, there you go. As you can see, two viewports. Basically this can be used for things such as split screen in video games, for example Call of Duty when you're playing split screen, or like game engines and such. It's used quite a lot. So yeah, that's how you render to viewports. So that's the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next C# tutorial. Peace.